where son and breeder walk up and down and kill a Gregory Park. Tony Curlew never trouble no. Tony Curlew never do no nothing. And me I tell you when I see son, I say, yo, nah, get way. I never did I remember about my son alone. I never did I remember about my son alone. I didn't remember about Tony Curlew. I didn't remember about the little boy in a Clark's Lane where him a breeder go figure kill and the boy a clabber breeder.
Chilling voice message to Vybz Kartel from a grieving mother, ladies and gentlemen. This is a subject that I and I man always wanted to speak about, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari Soldier. Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. You know I'm Rastafari Soldier of Deep Roots TV. If this is your first time tuning in, I and I man want you to hit that red subscribe button.
Deep Roots, man. How you guys
and
doing
we're going
out
to
there?
have a great
Having good
relationship.
time,
This
man.
is a
Where
special voice note to Adidja Palmer, aka also known as Vybz Kartel, the world boss. Yeah. This is a grieving mother, ladies and gentlemen, speaking to Vybz Kartel, letting him know that he will not get away with the evil that he have done to the Jamaican people. I want you to stick with me because we're going to talk about this, because this is a grave and imminent topic that we have went around for years. We have avoided it. So I want you to listen to the voice of the grieving mother and a message to Adidja Palmer, currently serving life sentence in a Jamaican prison. Yoagante is looking for his appeal for the Privy Council. Now this is a mother that's speaking to Vybz Kartel. I want you to give me your opinion. I'm going to go further on into my talking because it's a topic that we need to address.
Never do no nothing. I mean, I tell you when I see son, I say, yo, nah, get way. I never did I remember about my son alone. I never did I remember about my son alone. I didn't remember about Tony Curlew. I didn't remember about the little boy in a Clark's Lane where him a breeder go figure kill and the boy a clabber breeder and son go shoot him. I remember everything when I see son and I say, you, nah, get way, just wait till I don't bury my son, you.
Now this appeared to be a mother of a man that allegedly was murdered by the clan of the Gaza clan. Yoagante and the mother is letting Kartel know, say, yo, he must have think, say, just slave.
I didn't remember about Tony Curlew. I didn't remember about the little boy in a Clark's Lane where him a breeder go figure kill and the boy a clabber breeder and son go shoot him. I remember everything when I see son and I say, you, nah, get way, just wait till I don't bury my son, you, nah, get way. You don't need to kill out the
that to Adi, you know. You hear what she say? You nah
remember
get
about my son alone.
Wait till she bury
her
her son.
Curlew. I didn't remember about the little boy in a Clark's Lane where him a breeder go figure kill and the boy a clabber breeder and son go shoot him. I remember everything when I see son and I say, you, nah, get way, just wait till I don't bury my son, you, nah, get way. You don't need to kill out the whole of them for around a Christian pen where I say Gaza and who they are Gregory Park I say Gaza.
Oh no, hear that people
out.
look here, Christian pen. They sound like session serious,
I remember about Tony Curlew. I didn't remember about the little boy in a Clark's Lane where him a breeder go figure kill and the boy a clabber breeder and son go shoot him. I remember everything when I see son and I say, you, nah, get way, just wait till I don't bury my son, you, nah, get way.
Message to Vybz Kartel from the mothers of the people that have been fallen. You are going to listen to the pain in the voice of the black woman of the Jamaican. She's serious that time, yeah.
Breeder go figure kill and the boy a clabber breeder and son go shoot him. I remember everything when I see son and I say, you, nah, get way, just wait till I don't bury my son, you, nah, get way.
She say, wait till she done bury her son, Adi, you are here?
You don't need to kill out the whole of them for around a Christian pen where I say Gaza
Wanna hear that, people?
Listen, you nah get way. You no need to kill out the whole of them for around a Christian pen we are say Gaza and who they are Gregory Park say Gaza to kill them out. Kill them out. Enough people Gaza kill no man. And when me look and see all the woman they Cooper the Bally, the woman they come on TV, I talk about free artists, and how much mother. The artists they left a cry. And how much mother. The artists they left a cry.
People wanna give me a comment, they make me know if I show the woman a tell. Wanna make me know
mother.
if I show she a
artist they
tell
left a
or a lie
cry.
she a tell.
And how much mother. The artists they left a cry. You don't know how much mother. The artists they left a cry. You don't know how much picnic. The artists they left fatherless.
Alright, and that's how we want go with it.
Mother. The artists they left a
Me
cry.
want to know if you tell
You
me.
don't know how much mother. The artists they left a cry.
If you don't feel black
You
woman
don't know
pain.
how much picnic. The artists they left fatherless.
Yeah,
You
man,
don't know how
give me a
much
comment.
people. The artists they kill. Jesus.
A black woman pain we have right, yes, when I that me a share. When me hear the voice note, your people, it shook me to the core. Because I don't think that black people as a whole worldwide, Jamaicans in Jamaica, Haitians, can take it anymore.
Much
And it
mother.
appear that these
Artists they left
entertainers
a cry. And how much mother.
think about
The
themselves
artists they left a cry.
only.
You know how much mother. The artists they left a cry.
When them go proliferating their vulgarity and their wickedness through the airways and through the speaker. I know who not gonna say the music don't make the youth them go do nothing. But I'm telling you, the woman ain't no wrong. Enough of the artists them take up the badness for real and proliferate the violence in our community through their music and even through them actions. When them get the money, they do buy weapons and drugs and proliferate it and have stronghold in the neighborhood. And they do create a carnage and murder and imitate their art that they're spitting through the speaker, ladies and gentlemen.
Man. And when me look and see all the woman they Cooper the Bally, the woman they come on TV, I talk about free artists,
Alright.
and how much mother. The artists they left a cry.
What she say?
And how much mother. The artists they left a cry.
What she
I
say?
don't know how much mother. The artists they left a cry. I
What?
don't know how much picnic. The artists they left fatherless. I don't know how much people. The artists they
Them
kill.
not care. All
Jesus
them know
Christ,
say
if
free
the
Vybz
artists they
start
put
well.
in money in something better off Jamaica would have been a better
Hold on, listen to this lady. Listen to this lady, people, because me a chat too
artists they
much.
left a cry. And how much mother. The artists they left a cry. I don't know how much mother. The artists they left a cry. I don't know how much picnic. The artists they left fatherless. I don't know how much people. The artists they kill. Jesus Christ, if the artists they didn't put in money in something better off Jamaica would have been a better country.
Where you say about that, family?
What
you say about that? Because me from Bounty Killer to Tanya Stevens to all of the veteran artists, them even now back the arms house. I said the music don't infiltrate nor imitate nor escalate the violence. And we all know it's a lie.
The artists they left fatherless. We don't know how much people. The artists they kill. Jesus Christ, if the artists they didn't put in money in something better off Jamaica would have been a better country. I have people who have money and defend a little wicked boy there. Jesus Christ, you know how much people pick the boy they kill and then see him ugly pick them to sing song and I do all kind of things.
People hear what the woman I say. The boy vibe start well where uno defend. we bleach out himself and look like a
From Jamaica would
pampas
have been a
monkey. Uno so wicked and bad. You are going to. Uno so wicked and bad. Uno actually have this boy a pop style per man. Like the woman said. Kill off other people picnic. Bleach out in good kin. And look like a idiot. Tattoo up. Have black picnic follow him because the government is in bed creating crime, destabilizing the population with him. So them put him in a jail and every week him in a newspaper with girlfriend and every day him a release throne. And the dirty, nasty Jamaican them won't say nothing and tap him. You hear what the woman say? Me know uno nah go like what me a say. But me no care who like me nah love me. Me love me pitchy patchy kin and me melanin. No boy, no man, no girl we bleach out thinking and sing song fi kill off me brother and sister can be me king. Here where the grieving mom I ask. I mean no. Say uno nah go like where no I hear from the Rasta. Because the whole melanation, the whole nation of Jamaicans are a blood sucking population. It's a violent country. It's a violent culture. And if you try to speak the truth and speak it ever, they may murder you. You hear what I'm telling you? Keep your mouth, keep the mouth and keep your life. Them not say tell the truth. People, I'm telling you, we are too evil. You hear what the woman asks you know. If you know how many people the artists they done, if you know how many youths don't have no father and how many father don't have no son. Ladies and gentlemen, me are gonna make you continue listening to this chilling voice note from a mother that has lost her child. A childless mother. She says when she bury her son, me don't know if it is Zugu Zaga or if a contract. You hear what she just said? How many little youths die because of this artist? And see monkey face son them grow up and a sing song and a live off of the blood of the young youth. Like me tell you, government invent crime. The people that put him on contract are some people who want to kill off black man and black woman. So them give him a license to kill and murder and speak idiotness to the youths them because children are impressionable. You can steer children, much less what less all nigga. We don't have nothing for do. My grandmother used to say, idle hand find wickedness and evil to do. You are going to take. We're going to continue. I'm just telling you, ladies and gentlemen, I have been saying this for years, that the violence that we have been proliferating and perpetuating, disseminating, importing, and exporting upon the youths them is a cultural travesty. Tragic, because all we're doing is we're creating murderers, rapists, and wicked people, and it now go disappear from like magic because it becomes embedded, it becomes cultural, it becomes a seed that was planted and has become a grown monster. Ladies and gentlemen,
tell if I cry, I don't know much mother, the artist, tell if I cry, I don't know much picnic, the artist, tell if fatherless. We don't know much people. The artists they kill. Jesus Christ, if the artist said he put him money in a something better off, Jamaica would have been a better country. And a country, and you have people who have money and defend a little wicked boy there. Jesus Christ, you know how much people pick the boy they kill, and then see him ugly, pick them sing song and do all kind of things. And people pick they have to do nothing for them. Oh no, wicked people. Oh no. Send Gabriel go down there. Mighty God, send Gabriel go down there in the cartel. Mighty I hear Vybz Kartel dead. And only gunshot alone kill. Send Gabriel. A good killer angel go down there go kill him. Only for people a little
So like
wicked
I saw
boy
wicked
they
when the
left.
prayer come out, people. Me sorry, me never
I'm
realize
born for them
anything new. But listen to her.
Free cartel, I want God send an angel from Gabriel go down there go kill him.
Yo! She a go hard, man.
Unless and the whole no come out I talk about free cartel.
Yeah, man. Free cartel. It don't matter. It don't matter if him kill off people. Free cartel.
This boy they left fatherless and the whole no come out I talk about free cartel. Free cartel. I want God send an angel from Gabriel go down there go kill him. I want God send Gabriel. A good killer angel go down there go kill him. Only
Yo, me a tell you some, mommy. Me not laugh off for you, man. It deep, man. Me can't hear say you
send
feel
an
it.
angel from Gabriel go down there go kill him. I want God send Gabriel. A good killer angel go down there go kill him. Only for people a little wicked boy they left. I'm mourn for them pick me when I do them no.
Yeah, I know, mommy.
Almighty, you can't send Gabriel go down any prison with Vybz Kartel there. Any prison with Vybz Kartel there, you can't send Gabriel go down there. In the name of Jesus Christ, make we wake up one morning and hear say Vybz Kartel dead. And only gunshot alone kill people. Mighty God, mighty God, mighty God, send Gabriel go down there. Mighty God, send Gabriel go down in the prison with Vybz Kartel in her. Mighty God, send Gabriel go down in the prison with Vybz Kartel in her. Me I tell you from your heart. Me I tell you from your heart. Almighty God, Vybz Kartel need to go down. Vybz Kartel need for dead. I want wicked man. I want wicked man. Me don't know which woman birth him. Me don't know which animal birth him. Jesus Christ. I wish animal.
You hear what the woman said? She don't know how which animal birthed him.
Me I tell you from my heart, Almighty God, Vybz Kartel need to go down. Vybz Kartel
Yeah,
need for
burn him
dead.
out
I
hard,
want
man.
wicked man. I want wicked man. Me don't know which woman birth him. Me don't know which animal birth him. Jesus Christ. I wish
Lama.
animal birth you. Eh? You not kill enough. You not kill enough. You better you kill out shorty family them cause them wicked like you.
Yeah,
But
man,
leave
I
the
show.
innocent
I
people
show
and
any
make
girl
them
we can lead them
survive.
with a
Leave the
fussy like
innocent people and
cartel.
make
Oh, no, you
them
me I say.
live.
I don't know
Kill
people
out
go up on the
shorty and
internet and
Joe
say it, you know.
family them round
Y'all
because
can
of them start
because
the
you don't
wickedness
love
with you.
evil or evil or
Yeah,
no
man.
love.
But leave the innocent people and make them survive. Jesus Christ, politician, police and pastor. We don't look on Jamaica and see how Jamaica stay.
I show family, I show the woman, I tell on no love the nastiness. We love to back the nastiness. All you have to do is turn on skin out tone and wicked man throne and Jamaica and give them liquor and jugs. And then go and skin out for
Me
their
don't
head.
know which animal birth him. Jesus
And
Christ.
that no
I
one
wish
know for enough of the yard people them. So animal birth them.
animal birth you. Eh? You not kill enough. You not kill enough. You better you
No,
kill
them
out
not kill
shorty
enough because
family
I
them
see
cause
them
them
politician
wicked
them
like
around the
you.
thing
But leave
and
the
they-
innocent people and make them
The same wholeness, same Vybz Graham, same Chung, see them are the bad man them. A Babylon invent the crime. You know, see them put him in a prison where him can record and make more money and save his life. They should have left him a door. If them the left in a door, you don't know where me know. Him don't get sliced up and get dashed just like when do with Lizard. On no too nasty and dirty in a Jamaica. Uno make them man a proliferate and perpetuate the nastiness and broke out the place from through the bleaching and the wicked man thing and the gang violence in perpetuated. Look pan Spanish Town and the wholeness come from. If you don't believe me, say a Chang, wholeness and Vybz Grange and them and the bad man, them and bad woman and Anderson. Listen to the tune them. Look where are the baddest place in a Jamaica and where they come from because of them a proliferate the arms just like America and the Cold War. Them just a make the excuse and a pint the blouse and skirt finger and give a excuse and them can buy up more tools. Don't listen to them. The people them know a true me I tell the politician and the bad man them in a bed. I saw them win them constituent and them district. That is called garrison politics.
animal birth you. Eh?
The woman want to know what kind of animal
Mighty God
birth him
send Gabriel
because
go down
enough of
in
the
the prison
Jamaican
with
man
Vybz
them are
Kartel in
real
a.
animal
Mighty
them
God
prevail.
send Gabriel go down
Enough of the
in the
woman
prison
them.
with Vybz Kartel in a. Me I tell you from your heart. Me I tell you from your heart.
you say, mommy?
Almighty God, Vybz Kartel need to go down. Vybz
I don't lie,
Kartel
man.
need for dead.
Me
I
no
want
wish death upon
wicked
them,
man.
but guess what?
I
If we
want
at least get
wicked
locked
man.
off of the
Me no
radio
wish woman
station.
birth him. Me no know which animal birth him. Jesus Christ.
Me no see how you can in a jail for murder and you are the #1 stream artist. You are I no good, you good. Are the same people them who want undermine the black generation. The white people them will put you on record and put you out there. Cause me know the government can tell YouTube if you lock down your thing. But guess what? The people them will give you record deal of them and your money and them not care the damage what you do to society. Cause the whole point is black one kill black, white one kill black, Chinese one kill black, Indian one kill black. And you in panic. You don't like yourself cause you bleach your melanin and you kill off other black man. You want to come here the king just for your little props. You better go. Yo, and you cannot be the son of the king, but Selassie, I love you. I jail you, death murder your own brother. You are Satan child, and everybody will love your throne are children of the evil also. Although me know so you don't see a bad man thing run it, so you don't care.
Jesus Christ, I wish animal birth you.
Ask again, me empress. I which animal birth them?
Jesus Christ, I wish animal birth you. You not kill enough. You not kill enough. You better
Them
kill
don't
out
care
short
at
your
all.
family, them, cause them wicked like you. But leave the innocent people and make them survive. Leave the innocent people and make them live.
No
Kill
man,
out
them
short
man
your
ya
Jomo
show
family,
you.
them round
So
because
them a
of them
wicked
start
man
the
from
wickedness
east.
with you. Yeah, man. But leave the innocent people and make them survive. Jesus Christ, politician, police and pastor.
Yeah.
Who no look on Jamaica
Them
and see
in
what
there.
Jamaica stay.
Them
no
in
see
a
it.
bed with
Who
each
no
other,
see it. We
empress.
have too much pastor. And let me tell you this. Me and no pastor. But God stand up for me.
Family, some about that, me never realized the mic mute, but I joke thing the Jamaicans them depend for allow certain craziness to mash up the island. Cause that really a go on, you know. That really a go on. We look left, we look right, we look up and we look down and we see what go on in other place and we greedy, we licky, we wanty, we nyammy and we run down everything and I want to fix up for we business. So here you have a brave woman come out, leak out a voicemail. I don't know if I send it to the one Vybz Kartel or Adisha Bama. But as something where me did always want to address. The artists, them lack of respect for the people, especially with the music and the messages, especially the violence and the vulgarity. Them don't care. They don't care for humanity. They don't care about the effects and what are the repercussions on society. And I am perturbed now. Me don't listen to dancehall music too much, and reggae is deteriorating at the same rapid speed, ladies and gentlemen. It's a shame. And in your culture, your food, your clothes, your dance, and your activities, your crafts, your art, that is the culture, that is the roots, and the way that we are bringing our culture, it's embedded in our lifestyle, vulgarity and violence. It's a shame to hear this mother, to hear the pain of the black woman once again. It just shattered my brain, so I wanted to talk about this. I'm in a care where I say, yeah, me go party and we say Gully and Gaza, but me a big man, I overstand now, because back in the days, it got violent. Temperature did rise, and I know for a fact, as being a test person or a test dummy, especially from the teenage age, music does influence the people, and if you're listening to violent music, your probability of being in a violent altercation increase. Me I tell you it short, on of this stop lie. It's the time of music, it's the type of culture that we practice and perpetuate, is the way that our lifestyle is going to be ultimately lived out. So me I tell you, say my heart goes out to all of the black women, children, youths, parents, fathers that have lived to see and feel the pain of this black woman on the phone, that the perpetuation of violence have made so many black women mourn. Ladies and gentlemen, many father will never come home. Many look at youths out at the gate and wait for them, look at daddy if you come home from work or from stopping at a bar to have a little drink. But many times they don't come home because them life is taken away them quickly than a wink. I'm Rastafari, so the ladies and gentlemen of Deep Roots TV, not bashing anybody artist, but me I tell you from my heart, most of you are frauds. You just sing the tune them, and only when the violence and the wickedness hit homes, one of the family member get murdered or killed, you want to cry for a day or two, drink some soup, yam some fish and bread, and go on like you care, and you really do not care, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for us to stop the violence. It's time for us to love one another. It's time for us to care and show that we want to our brothers and our sisters keeper, and the way that we can do that is changing our paradigm, have a shift of paradigm in society. The violent culture that we are living is because of the music and the lifestyle through our arts, because life imitate art, or do art imitate life. Ladies and gentlemen, we need to find out how we can improve our life. I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV, put no more fire pana boy with a murder in sister and brother. Me no care who you are. You could have Gully or Gaza. It is wrong to perpetuate violence, especially on each other. Hit that red subscribe button. Share the content, ladies and gentlemen. And more life, and more joy, more nappiness. Stay blessed.
Hello, my name is Asheen and welcome to Deep Roots TV.